everyone, welcome back to La Cocina De Jannett. So today's video is obviously not in the kitchen, but it is a very much needed update for you guys. So I decided I would do that for you today. So as many of you know, I am now living stateside. I was in South Korea for 3 years, and so now I am in Oklahoma, and I have done a few videos in my kitchen here that you guys have got to enjoy. But the main reason why I am doing this is to give you guys an update on what is going on with me personally, what's going on at La Cocina De Jannett, and I hope that you guys really enjoy this. So let's jump right in. Yes, I am no longer in South Korea. I have a lot of you guys asking in the comments, are you still in South Korea? What's going on with you, right? So I figured I would do this just to kind of let everyone know what's going on. I'm no longer in South Korea. I was there for 3 years though, and it was amazing. Loved it there. I am now in Oklahoma, and hopefully we get to stay here for a few years and not have to move again. But needs of the Navy, right? So we shall see. I wanted to share some really big news with you guys besides, the moving and stuff like that. So I wanted to share with all of my amazing friends and all of you amazing people that I don't know and I've never met, but you guys are amazing. You've been amazing to my channel, supporting it any way you can, which I truly appreciate. So I found that sharing this news with you would be good, would be a good thing. Plus, I am also trying to do a little bit more of like facial interactions while I'm cooking. I find that it's easier having 2 kids in the house doing the videos the way that I do, is not doing an intro or not talking, because half of the time my kids are running through the house or they're watching TV, so that's all you can hear in the background, and I can understand that can be distracting. But I'm gonna find time to be able to do like this, like give you an interaction before we actually record the video. In doing that, you will be able to see what I'm about to share with you, so I figured I'd share it with you now so that you guys aren't surprised. Jeanette at La Cocina De Jannett is pregnant. I am now 4 months pregnant. I'm also pregnant with twins, so we are having 2 more babies, a total of 4. So we're going from 2 kids to 4 kids. I know, send help ASAP because I know I'm gonna need it. So that is the big update and the big announcement for you guys. We are pregnant with twins, and you might be seeing this baby belly in some of the future cooking videos, so now you know. That's all I got for you, so take care, and I do have another video recipe being uploaded in the next couple of days, so be sure to watch it, subscribe, like it, share it with your friends, because who doesn't love Mexican food, right? So that's all I got. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.